Have you ever had a time in your life where you thought, I have no idea how I'm going to get myself through this situation? Let's take, for an example, you've been living in your home of 20 plus years. It's full of love and stuff. You're recovering from a brain injury and you need to put your home up for sale. That was me. And magically enter Kim Sneath into my life. If it wasn't for Kim, I do not know how I would have managed those days before the house sale. Her professionalism, her off the chart empathy was exactly what I needed. She helped me organize, classify, move, clear, declutter, and there was a lot to do. It was 20 years worth of stuff, and I was emotional, and Kim was amazing. Kim, you are my personal Wonder Woman, and my heart will forever be grateful.